Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dominican-style pickled red onions. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 large red onions, thinly sliced, along with 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. These fresh components are key to a vibrant, delicious result. Now let's prepare the onions. Carefully slice your red onions into thin, uniform rings or half-moons. The thinner the slices, the quicker they will pickle and absorb the delicious brine. Place these sliced onions into a clean, heat-proof jar or bowl. Some prefer a quick soak in hot water to mellow their strong flavor before pickling. Next, we'll create the flavorful brine. In a small saucepan, combine your 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Once dissolved, carefully pour the hot brine directly over your sliced red onions in the jar. After pouring the brine, let the onions cool completely to room temperature before covering and refrigerating them for at least 30 minutes. For best flavor, allow them to chill for a few hours. These delicious pickled red onions can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. They are perfect on tacos, sandwiches, or as a side. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.